Okay, so I have bought all this stuff to unbox for YouTube and stuff, and I'm gonna start doing it on the snaps. I'm only gonna open 4 today. I'm really excited about the Invader Zim, if you know me. These are the little dog tags that you can get. It's not dog tags, it's keychains that you can get with this series. And this is the one that I got. He has a little jetpack. He's super cool. The colors are really bright. The next one I'm going to do is the Shopkins. It's going to be a part of season 3 series. Okay, so when you open it up, you're going to have 2 little plastic bags with the little contents and the flyer. Okay, so the mission is to collect all of these, but I'm really just doing it for the fun and entertainment of this stuff. I have a Susie Sundae and a Nettie Spaghetti. The next one I'm going to do is a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle Mashup. I got a yellow one. Okay, in the moment we've all been waiting for, we are going to open the Invader Zim. These are the minifigures that you can get with this series. I'm just gonna dump this out so it'll be a surprise to me too. Let me hurry up. And I have a girl and it's a little bobblehead. He has a little piggy. This is what I got from my first 4 unboxings. I just want y'all to know that y'all are appreciated and thank you for watching.